Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 27, we're going to be focusing on writing dialogue. What is dialogue, you might be wondering? Dialogue is when people talk in a story. We show this talking with quotation marks. Writing dialogue helps us show what a person says and how they feel. It also makes stories fun and real. Here is an example. Maria said, "I like your shoes." We use a comma before the word someone says. We also start a new line when a new person talks. Let's look at another example. Tom says, "Let's play soccer." "Okay, I love soccer," Maria says. "I am ready, so let's go." Now, looking in your textbook, it says this activity facilitates the development of skills in writing dialogue. The focus is on punctuation, capitalization, and using simple conversational phrases. Your task in this activity is to basically use the rules we've gone over throughout this book in creating a visual representation of a conversation between people. For example, in the conversation between Tom and Maria, you have to make sure your dialogue, that is, what the people are saying, has quotes at the beginning of what they say and at the end. Plus, all of the other grammar rules apply, like capitalization, punctuation, and commas. Let's read the example in number 1. It says, "Hello, how are you?" John asks. "I'm good, thank you," Sarah replies. "How are you?" "I'm doing well, thanks for asking," John says. Notice how each speaker's words are inside quotation marks. The punctuation is placed before the closing quotation mark, the comma or the question mark. Each new speaker begins a new line. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the first word in each sentence. Okay, in number 3, we see our first activity. Your task is to fill in the dialogue. You are given cues at the end of each line. For example, the first line ends with "Anna says," then greeting in parentheses. Pause the video now and fill in the blanks with a simple dialogue. Okay, so your textbook gives you a possible answer to reference. It says, "Hi, Bob," Anna says. "How are you today, Anna?" Bob asks. "I'm good, thanks. How are you?" Anna replies. "I'm fine too. Thank you for asking." And you can end with "Bob says" as well. In number 4, activity 2, our task is to unscramble the dialogue. The purpose of this activity is to familiarize yourself with the simplest structure of a dialogue. Pause the video now and unscramble the dialogue. Just for fun, you can add the names of people, whoever you like. Great. Now, for number 5, your task is to write your own dialogue. If possible, pair up with a classmate and write a short dialogue between you. Use at least 4 lines of dialogue, but you can add more. Each speaker should ask and answer questions. Make sure to use proper punctuation and capitalization. Your textbook has an example to give you an idea of what to work on. It says, "What's your name?" "My name is Maria." "Where are you from?" "I am from Mexico." Pause the video now and work on your dialogue. Now, as a bonus, we've added one last practice. Look at the picture and imagine what these people are saying to each other. Write your dialogue on the lines and share your dialogue with your teacher, your classmates, your tutor, or even me. You can write your dialogue for the image in the comment section of this video. Pause the video now and write your dialogue. Fantastic! Well, it's been a really fun time working with you on all of these writing activities. This is the final video component for the textbook Writing Journey for Beginners. If you would like for me to create more videos like this, or maybe continue with another level of a writing textbook, let me know in the comments section. In the meantime, keep practicing your writing skills. Make sure to like and share your videos with others and visit our website at iwtle.com. We thank you sincerely for staying with us throughout this journey, and we hope the activities have been helpful. Please visit our website for updates as we continue to create more content for English learners. Email me at info@iwtle.com. Again, thank you for your participation. This has been a production of the New Kingdom Radio Theater in association with the J.V. Michael Publishing Company in Baltimore, Maryland. All rights reserved. Copyright 2025.